Hello guys, this is Josh440 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cluster test on an e39 530i. This also works on the 525 and also I believe the e46s. And the first step to do this is you want to put your key in the first position, just like that. So only your radio should turn on, and also some lights like the odometer and the temperature gauge would turn on. Second step is to hold down the right button on your instrument cluster until test 1 pops up. Then you'll press this button again until the number 2 shows up, and you want to press the left button, and then it will just cycle through the instrument cluster test. So your gauges will go up and down twice, and you can see which lights are not working or working. So clearly you can see like my pixels are all gone right here. So I'll be doing this repair soon here. So if you want to keep going at this, you can just keep pressing it again and again. So it should just look just like that. Now this test doesn't work on the radio or the AC system, the HVAC. See, the lights are all off here. This only works on the instrument itself. So that's it, guys. Yes, if you want to exit this, you just take out your key, and that's it. It should go back to normal just like that. Then you can start up your car, and it's all back to normal. Alright guys, that's it.